Hey guys, welcome to my channel. This is Shivam and today I'm going to show you that how you can enable video wallpaper for your home screen. This is one of my favorite tweaks. In order to use this tweak, we need to jailbreak the device. If some of you might be new here and don't know how to jailbreak the device, so let me tell you, I already made a lot of videos on how to jailbreak the device. So all the links I'll mention in the description. Go ahead and watch. There are basically two methods, checkra and uncover method. So go ahead and watch and check your compatibility and do jailbreak and come to this video. So let's get beginning. Now if you've done that, first thing first, open the Cydia and go to the source, add, and in normal mode you can type this first repo called zx02.yourepo.com. So basically you need to add this repo in order to add get that tweak. So once you type that, go ahead and click that add source. Once you done that, it will verify the URL and it will start downloading that resources, all the tweaks, and it's take quite time. Depends on the source how many tweaks are available over there. So as you can see, just ignore that red errors because something overlapping means it will generally happens. So now we need to add one more tweak, repo. As you can see, the tweaks are not installed because as I shown you that red error. So I'm going to talk about that very soon. We have to add one more repo, that is junesipphone.com/super secret/ and hit add source. There we go, it started adding that repo, and after this one more repo will be there. Okay, you guys might wondering that why I can't just forward this and I can finish this video faster, because a lot of people complaining that I'm going very fast or something. So that's why I decided to go slowly or something to understand how the process is going. So as you can see, the red errors are there, which is normal because once it is started getting, you will definitely get that for other tweak. Now we are going to add third repo called repo.packix.com/ or repo.packix.com/, and once you type that, go ahead and add that source and it will start verifying. And okay, as you can see, a lot of red errors. So it's common when you're overlapping something. I'm thinking one of the repo I already installed, so that's why these all errors are coming. So no problem, just simply close it or return to the Cydia. Now we will look for how to solve this issue. So let me check the repos. So as you can see, the tweaks are not available there for all of the three repos which we installed. Now the thing is, left side at top corner you see that refresh button. Go ahead and tap that. Now as you can see, all the repos are collecting the information when you refresh it. And once you done that, you just got this window and just return to Cydia. And now if we check, all the tweaks are available there. So that's the tweak tricks that we need to use while if you get any error like overlapping comment, red errors and all that, like repos and all that. So now if you done that, go ahead and search for frame, which is the first tweak which we require right now. And this is from the official repo which we installed, the first repo. And okay, go ahead and add that in a queue. So because we need to add two more tweaks. The next tweak is ZenHTML, and make sure this is also from the package which we added for the third repo. And go ahead and add this also in a queue because we need to add one more tweak called ZenInfo. So ZenInfo, once you done that, now we can get that. And make sure this is from the official website so that you will not get any error if you add it from the official website. So all of the three tweaks are there. Now we can install. So this is the method. If you install two twice or thrice, 2-3 install at a time you want to install at a time. So you can make it in a queue and you can do it at the same time. So now restart and respring to apply those tweaks. So as you can see, it is installed, and now the fun begins. Go to the tweak section and search for the frame. If it is not enabled, go ahead and enable it, because it is already by default enabled. And there are LPM, means low power mode, to save the battery life, because this will drain the battery for most of the devices. And so once you on it, it will be saving, and you have two options to get that video. So I don't have any right now. Now this is the website that you can get live videos like .mp3, .mp4. so Pixabay is the best way, one of the I'm just showing it. So you can download here any videos which you wanted. So I'm going to search something like animated or something. So let's search it. So as you can see, there are tons of lot of videos which are totally free. So for demonstrate, I'm going to download this one, and you can see there are file types and size of the files, that which quality you want to download. So if you're on iOS 13, you can directly download, and it started downloading that. It's totally free. Go ahead and check this. This is not sponsored or something. I'm just helping to get interesting videos from this website. I just found it. So the next, just to demonstrate, I'm going to download this tweak. I already downloaded so many in my other device. So once you download that, you can save this video in photo section, or you can go to the file section directly, and it will, if you download anything, it will show up in the files. So now basically we can collect that from directly from file folder. So go to the frame, choose video and choose file. You can choose photos. If you have in photos, you can choose any normal video even. And let me show you. Once I apply for both, and there we go, the fun begins. You can see how cool it is, guys. You can literally set any video for as an screensaver or wallpaper for both of them. So let me try another one, how it looks. So for both I set, and there we go. It's quite looking good actually. If you have some good videos which you want to show in a public or in a friends, so it's quite interesting. You can literally making your mobile alive. So this is one of my favorite. See how cool it is, man. It looks like completely 3D, and already I downloaded from Pixabay. You can set any video you want, not only this. So how cool these are. I already downloaded this, so this looks cool. Few more videos are videos are there which I downloaded already. So there are a lot of things to show. Okay, this is last one, I guess. I'm just showing you. Okay, see how interesting this is. I like this one personally. I like this one. It attracts. It's so there is a complication and axon tweaks that if you want to know. So that's it. That's the thing, guys. If you like this video, go ahead and subscribe my channel if you are new to my channel, and hit that bell icon to get notified whenever I upload a new video. You will get notified. And if you are if you haven't followed me on social media, every time I'll upload update the info about jailbreaking and all that stuff. So go ahead and follow my social media websites. And thank you for watching this video. This is Shivam signing off, and it's always peace.